Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here and hope you're doing awesome today. Now today I shall be doing the camera comparison of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 and the ASUS Zenfone 5. Let's begin. And welcome back guys. Now before we get to this video, make sure you're subscribed and you hit that bell icon so you do not miss any new video. Now starting with the hardware, now both of them have got dual camera setups on the back there, but there's a little bit of difference here. Now the Zenfone 5 has got a wide angle lens as its second camera, while on the Redmi Note 5 it's got a dedicated depth sensor camera, so it can get better portrait mode shots here. On the front camera is just a singular camera there, and going on to the interface here, I actually quite prefer the one on the Redmi Note 5 actually, ironically. I'm a fan of Zen UI, but here for the camera interface, I think on the on the Redmi Note 5 is actually way more simpler, and I'm that person that loves the really simple. Anyways, enough talk, let's get to the photos and videos taken by both these devices.
As you can see here, that ASUS is kind of zoomed out, and the details picked up here in Redmi is not as much compared to ASUS. It's got more color and more details compared to Redmi here. I'm gonna head out, go home. It's been a long night. So walking through here, I kind of noticed that Redmi is kind of zoomed in compared to ASUS, and while the colors are popping at ASUS on my right, but Redmi kind of looks dull. And if you look at the sky, it's kind of blown out at first, the ASUS, and kind of takes a while to get back in focus. And just the lighting here, but Redmi is pretty instant. Walk through here, the video is kind of dull here on the Redmi compared to ASUS. Like I said before, it takes a while. The skies can be blown out and it takes a while for the camera to register the sky, the clouds. Well, it's pretty instant in Redmi here. So I'm gonna start the front camera from the back, a darker area towards the area with more lights, so you guys know the difference and how well it fares. And as soon as you can see walking towards light, that ASUS is picking up more and makes my forehead shine like a shining star compared to Redmi. Another thing I noticed is that ASUS is kind of zoomed in, a bit more zoomed in compared to the other. So the ASUS still seems to blow out the background. If you adjust a bit, I guess you can work it out. You can see the sky and the clouds here. The Redmi, I don't think, for Redmi you don't need much to do, it's so instant. And one more thing I know is that ASUS kind of stabilizes. I did a previous video and to check it out, it seems like the ASUS stabilizes pretty much well, while the Redmi is kind of still shaky. And the video is kind of dull in Redmi compared to ASUS, I guess, because ASUS lets in too much light in. See, you get an example of what I'm trying to say.
And welcome back guys. Now that has been the photos and the videos of both these two devices. What do you think about the photos produced and the videos produced? Which one did you like? Which stabilization did you like? which low light did you like, which one, you know, basically you get the idea. Let me know in the comment section down there below. If you are choosing between these two phones today, which one would you choose? Let me know down there below as well. And I know some of you asked me about this case. Yes, I already made a video. Check it out. Link shall be in the description down there. And a huge shout out to my man Taufik, who has actually shot the photos and videos here and is actually behind the camera here as well. And you know, like I said, if you're not subscribed already, subscribe, you know, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any new videos. And I shall catch you lovely, awesome, amazing person next time. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye.